What's up, guys? It's your boy Killer, and wait, let me turn. Yeah, I got some music playing. Yeah, but today I'm gonna show you some of my rare ones. I think rare FGTeeV toys. It's really rare ones, and some let me turn this down just. Sorry, guys, but yeah, I got FGTeeV toys. First one, Megs. Everybody knows Megs from FGTeeV. Spookus, or I don't know, Ghosty. Gorky Talkie. You can really tell the difference between this Gorky Talkie and this one. The eyes more detailed. This one looks more scared. Yeah, but I got these guys. I got this guy, and I got the Robo version of him. Sorry guys, I don't know what all these characters are called, but yeah, I got two of these guys, or two kinds of these guys, and this. And I got, wait, are they all the same? Oh yeah, they're all the same. I got Polster Jenkins, I got Lexi, and I got Gorky Talkie, all the same kind. But I only got one Polster Jenkins, one Big Megs, one of these guys. But I'm gonna share the best for last. Got this dude. I got Robo Sean. He has a little scratch, but that's okay. You got Robo Buddies. I only got one of him. But I actually got two Gorky Talkies, two of the skeleton dudes, and two Lexis. But the other one is super rare. The golden Lexi. So FGTeeV Duddy, if you're watching this, yeah, I got the golden Lexi. Cool, pretty cool. One of my rarest. Yeah, but sorry guys, I'm sweating. You can see. My room doesn't have a fan, so a couple times I'm gonna be wiping my face. But do you know, my I forgot what it was called. Oh, Motherboy63, one of my Roblox players. Look, I got the same mask. I actually made this. Okay, so put all these guys to the side. And now we're gonna roast two more bullies. Got them on my phone over here, playing some songs, some tunes. See, like, sorry guys, but look, this is my character, Kelapike. I don't know if you can see this kind of glare. Yeah, but she is saying ha 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 ha, like a stupid donkey. Let me get her name real fast. Sorry guys. It's all planned out in the video. Little shitbag. Sorry guys, but from now on there's gonna be a little bit swearing in my videos. So just if you're a kid, personally to me, just ignore that. Just press the 10 seconds. Just skip that. So mix. Oh, miss. Yeah. So yeah, she was a jack. Little Mix. That's yeah. So if you're watching this, or the bullies, not my fans, I always tell you guys this because you guys are safe. But yeah, you guys get crossed. And another donkey? Man. Like, sorry guys, but what a shitbag. Like, nobody should get the coronavirus except for the bullies. They should get sick. I got also Hydrogen Donkey. I just call him Hydrogen. one row. You guys ready at the bunny here, dude? Hey. Yeah, that guy. Oh, that guy, the bunny here, dude. He's a donkey. Piece of kind. Yeah, but trust that dude out. But yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. And stay healthy. We'll make it through this. Once summer hits, these couple of months ahead, the coronavirus should start to wear off. So just stay strong, stay healthy, and like the song, just beat it. Beat the coronavirus. We can get through this. Yeah, but sorry guys, I was just listening to the song. But here you go. Stay strong, guys. Don't forget to share aloha all times. Don't be greedy. Don't take all the toilet paper. Wipe your behinds with leaves. Everybody has plants in the backyard. Get that. Wipe it. You're all good. Get notebooks. People have books. Just use that. And kids, if you don't like homework, just get your homework and be like, ooh yeah, all good, and flush it down the toilet. But don't do that. Stay smart, guys. Only if you're a savage, which I am not. I'm not a savage. A long time ago, but not now. I'm nice, not like those bullies. Yeah, but guys, stay good. Give me a high five. And don't forget to stay healthy.